Hello, today we're going to talk about sending an email as well as checking your EverFi grade. And the email is going to be about your EverFi grade. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is go to your Google Classroom and then scroll down to the class that you're in for STEM. Select that class. Now, if you have not registered for EverFi, you're going to go to your classwork tab and go to Lesson B, Assignment 2. You would copy the code here, so registration code for EverFi, and then click the link. You can simply then paste that in and go next. And just fill this information out. Pretty straightforward if you just follow these prompts, remembering not to give your email. And then your username, you guys, is going to be exactly what you type into the computer in the morning, your initials and your student ID. And then your password is going to be the same password you would use for school systems, right? Your same credentials that you use in the morning for accessing your computer. Go next. And then here we go. You end up in the system, and you're started. So now I have another student one already. I just wanted to show you folks that. So I'm going to log out this way and re-log in under my other one. I want to demonstrate to people how also that you do that. So let's close that out. So if you already have an account that you've registered for, you can go to Clever. You can go to your teacher's page, whether it's Mr. Junior or myself, and go to EverFi. Student teacher login. And then you can click here for your account and just sign in. And here we are. So we can see that I'm partway through this module ignition. And if I want to see my exact progress in my scores, I click on progress. And it tells me that this module is completed. This survey is completed. My pre-module assessment has been passed. And my post-module assessment I've passed with an 80. And there's my score. If I scroll down, it shows that I've done nothing else. So I can close out my progress. I know what I need to do. If I wanted to continue working, I would just click continue. But I don't. I want to send an email about this to my teacher. So now I'm going to go back to Clever. And I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go to Outlook. This is our email. I'm going to click here. You guys should have this set up already. This is one of the earlier lessons. And so here we are. I'm logged in now. So now, once I'm logged in, I want to go to New Message and start forming my my email. I'm going to click on that right now. And I'm going to send this to Mr. Junior. So I would start typing in his email address, which is in the instructions for his students. My email address would be in the instructions for my students. Once you type in enough of it, it should pop up here so you can just select it. And it's really important to add a subject, you guys, okay? So in this case, the subject is going to be your EverFi progress or completion, okay? progress. And I can come down now that I've got my subject in and start on the body of my email. Hello, Mr. Junior. And then you want to type that. So you want to say, in my case here, I need to complete modules 2 through 6, period. Module 1 is complete with a passing grade. You go down and add your closing. Best regards. And put your first and last name. You don't normally need to because we know who the email is from, but please do it that way. So you should always end your email with your full name. And then just click send. Now that's off to us, and you are all set. If for some reason it didn't bring you to this page, you might need to key in your full email and your username. If you haven't done it before, Clever will not be able to bring you all the way through. You might need to key your full email in and then your password before it takes you here. So just a word of caution for those that have not yet logged into their email. And if you have any questions at that point, you certainly can ask Mr. Junior and myself in class. All right, thanks and good luck.